Here we go. Now we have some real fun. We've been doing factoring of trinomials, but now we have to look at the possibility of how this would work with trig. In a particular case here, this is simple. We have a square, a minus sign, and a square. What does that work out to be? It's a difference of squares. Nice and easy. We have sine minus cos. Sine plus cos. That's it. That one's finished. I gotta move the mic over a bit. So, we're good with that. Or I am. Hopefully you are. That was a quick one. Here, we have a trinomial. It's quadratic because we're gonna let x equal sine theta. And if we do that, that means we have x squared minus 5x plus 4. So I have a product and a sum. And we take those and we go, okay, well, two numbers multiplied together that equal 4, add together, equal negative 5. Well, if I have negative 1 times negative 4, that multiplies to give me positive 4. Negative 1 plus a negative 4 gives me negative 5. So, there's no number in front of the x squared, so I can go straight to a solution of x minus 1, x minus 4. But remember, x is sine theta. So, it's actually sine theta minus 1, sine theta minus 4. Kind of tricky, but you got to make the connection and realize, okay, this is just basic old algebra. Forget about the fact it's sine, and we can solve. Now it starts to get a bit trickier. Here, we have to make some decisions. What are we going to do? Well, the ones that we have been doing, we've been using the law 1 minus sine squared theta as part of the law and changing it to cos. But down here, I have to look at the denominator. And how can I get rid of it? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the 3. 1 minus sine squared theta over 1 plus sine theta. Now, normally I would say let's change 1 minus sine squared theta to cos squared theta. But I only want to do that if I have cosine in the denominator, and I don't right now. So what we'll do is this is also, I'm going to short form it, difference of squares. Because 1 is a square, I got a minus sign, and I have sine squared. So we're going to factor the top again. So we have 3, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, all over 1 plus sine theta. That cancels out that. I have a final solution of 3, 1 minus sine theta. And that's totally factored and simplified. Kind of crazy. So we'll try one more. Feeling purple on this. So again, we have the top is the difference of squares. So we have cos theta minus sine theta multiplied by cos theta plus sine theta, all divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Well, that cancels with that. Final answer, cos theta plus sine theta. Getting into a lot of stuff to start remembering, but same old. It may be trig, but we're using the basic algebra principles that we've been using with factorizing quadratics.